Mona, knock. Hey, look what I find. Hey. Hi, Mika. Hey. Ho. What is in there? I have no idea. I can say it is pretty heavy. Yeah. Do you see anything? Nope. Shake it. So, should we open it? Yes, let's open it. I'm curious what is inside. Surprise! Okay. Oh, Disney chocolate eggs. Such a big surprise. Okay, now we know what it was inside. Let's open it. Milk chocolate. Crack it. Yeah. Very interesting. Oh, I guess it's Donald Duck. Yay! Hello. Hey. And a nice poster with all Disney minifigures. Okay, Minnie and Mickey and Donald Duck and more. Okay, Mona, let's open another one. Oh, let me guess. Another chocolate egg. Wow, let's open it. Oh, chocolate is broken. But Mickey Mouse. Oh, so cute. Hello, hi. Okay, Mika, now it's my turn. Yes, Knock, open it. Oh, it's not easy. Oof. No, I open it. Oh, another egg, chocolate egg. Let's see. I am looking for Minnie Mouse. Okay, one more layer and oh no, it's Horace. I like Horace. Yeah, he's a very, very cute character. Okay, we have two left. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Open it. Yes. Oh, what happened with this chocolate? Why it's cracked? Okay, and Mika. Hey, can you guess who is in this chocolate egg? Nope, I'm not guessing this time. Just let's see it and that's it. Okay, it's another Mickey Mouse. Hello. So we have one last egg. And it's a big excitement because it's last one. Guess who is gonna be there? Okay, let's open it. So excited. And no, show me. Minnie Mouse, hello. Hey, she's so cute. And now all of them together. Donald Duck, Horace, Mickey Mouse, another Mickey Mouse, and Minnie. Thank you for watching KIKIland video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.